Hello my dear students, welcome to Gopal BC High School online class. Yesterday we had a very good class and today we are going to learn about something. Let's get started. So you will identify the topic. Look at the board. I will write some sentences. Look at them. He is dash good boy. I have dash umbrella. She is dash beautiful. Look at the sentences. I have written 3 sentences. Look at the sentences. First one is he is dash good boy. We find there is something missing. What should we use there? He is dash a student. Okay. The next one is I have dash umbrella. What will we use in the gap? I have an umbrella. Okay. The next one is she is dash beautiful. She is dash beautiful. The meaning of the sentence is clear. There will be no article. That means there will be cross. That is zero article. I hope you are already getting the point. What is the point? What is the topic? Yes, you have already understood. We are going to learn about articles. So our today's topic is articles. Articles. So before starting our class, we should learn about articles. We should learn about articles. What are articles? What are articles? Okay. We know in English there are 3 articles, A and D. A and D. There are 3 articles in English, A and D. Okay. So A and D are 3 articles. Articles. If we define the articles, there will be articles are words that define a noun as definite or indefinite. So look at the book. In English there are 3 articles, A and D. If we define articles, that will be articles are words that define a noun as definite or indefinite. So I think you have already understood the types of articles. The types of articles one is indefinite article and another is definite article. So what are indefinite article? There are 3 articles. What are indefinite articles and what is definite article? The types of articles are 2. the indefinite article a, an, and the definite one is the. That means we have got three articles a and b. So today we will discuss only about indefinite articles, and we will take another class about definite article the. So today we are going to learn only indefinite articles. In English, we know there are 26 letters or alphabets, but articles is used. Article is used by following the initial sound of a word, not letter. Initial sound of a word. That means first we are going to learn about uses of a. Uses of a. Where we will use article a. Where we will use article a. Look. Dash boy, dash cat, dash horse. Look at the board. There are one consonant, another consonant, another consonant. So we know we have to use a before a word that begins with a consonant letter. That means B is a consonant, C is a consonant, H is a consonant. So we have to use their A. We have to use their A. We have to use their. We have to use their A. Okay. So we know there are 21 consonants, and we have to use a before a consonant letter. Okay. Next one. Look at another rule. If a word is starts with vowel letter, but if a word is start with a vowel, but if it gets sounds like consonant, there will be article. If we pronunciate like U, there will be a. University, unicate. That means the word starts with U, article, but the initial sound is like a consonant. So we have to use a. There we have to use a. So we look at another rule. If vowel O gives a sound like wa, if we find a sound like wa, there will be article a. One taka note. One taka note. One-eyed man. Look at the initial sound of the word one. That means like wa. That means like wa. So we have to use their a. We have to use their a. Okay. Now we will discuss about uses of an. We know in English there are 5 vowels. If a word starts with vowel, we have to use N. Umbrella, apple. Okay, there is the word starts with vowel, so you have to use their N. Okay. Next rule. If a letter starts with consonant but the initial sound is like a vowel, we will have to use N. Honest, our, air. So the letter starts with, the word starts with consonant letter, but the initial sound is like a vowel. Honest, our, air. So we have to use here N. Okay, I think you are getting the point. If you follow our classes regularly, you will be able to know every grammatical item nicely. Okay, next one. You know, there are some acronyms or abbreviation or abbreviated words. There we have to use article A or M. Look at some words. BA, MA. Okay. BSC, MSC. Okay, look at the first word. There is B, that means B plus E. The first initial sound is B. Then we have to use there A. There is MA, M plus A, M plus A. So there is a sound like vowel. So we have to use there N. Next one is B, that means like this A. There is MSC like this N. So my dear students, I think you are getting all the points of indefinite articles. If you keep an eye on our classes regularly, you will be able to know every grammatical item. Okay, write down your homework. What we have learned, I am giving you some task, and that is your homework. Homework. Okay, write down some sentences. Gold is dash useful metal. Ria is beautiful girl. You are dash student. My father is dash MBBS. He is dash brilliant boy. I have written 5 sentences, and you will do it at your home, and you will practice it. I think if you remember all the rules I have taught you, you will be able to learn it nicely. Thank you very much, and you will keep an eye to our classes regularly.
I'm ready for